Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to delete a photo from Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, you'll need to go to Facebook on your devices. Next, once we're on, right here is the news feed. We click with you right here in the upper left-hand corner on your profile. Your profile comes up. There's Post, Photos, Reels. Click Photos. And if we want to delete any of them, we click on them. In the upper right corner, 3 dots, click Delete Photo. It says you definitely want to delete this photo. It will also be removed from your posts. If you agree, click Delete. After that, your photo should be deleted. Now see also, we can go to our profile in the menu. Click on Profile here to scroll down. And if you have any pictures here, you can also delete them from your posts. Click on the 3 dots. Here you select, click Edit Post, and you can also delete it here. This is an easy way to do it. Click on Hide from Profile and you can hide it. If you liked and helped this video, subscribe to the channel, put likes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.